The three hidden features of the iPhone SE 4 are set to amaze you. While its design and hardware are already stealing all the attention, it's the potential hidden capabilities that could truly redefine your experience. As rumors and leaks continue to surface, it's becoming clear that this device might bring some revolutionary features that will elevate how you interact with your phone. Are you ready to explore what makes the upcoming iPhone SE 4 a potential game changer? Let's take a deep dive into what could be in store. The iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a remarkable device that combines powerful performance with affordability. While its sleek design and impressive hardware have captured the spotlight, the real excitement lies in its hidden features. Even though the device hasn't been officially released yet, whispers from leaks and rumors are already teasing us with some incredible undiscovered functionalities that could significantly enhance the user experience. Today we'll explore three potential hidden features of the iPhone SE 4 that might surprise you and help you make the most of the device when it finally arrives. Hidden feature number 1, Back Tap. The Back Tap feature is anticipated to be included in the upcoming iPhone SE 4, and it has the potential to revolutionize how users interact with their devices. Initially available on Apple's premium iPhone models, this clever function enables users to execute various actions, such as taking screenshots, launching specific applications, or activating Siri, all by performing a simple double or triple tap on the back of the phone. Should Apple incorporate Back Tap into the iPhone SE 4, it will offer users an incredibly customizable and efficient method for managing everyday tasks. This addition promises to boost both productivity and convenience, making it easier than ever to perform frequently used actions with just a tap. By including this feature in the SE 4, Apple could further elevate the user experience and give customers a seamless, intuitive way to interact with their phones. Hidden feature number 2 is Live Text, an exciting addition that is expected to be available on the iPhone SE 4. Live Text is a powerful tool that enables users to recognize and interact with text in photos, videos, and images. This feature brings an array of practical uses, including the ability to copy and paste text directly from an image, translate text in real time, and even perform quick actions, such as dialing a phone number or sending an email with a simple tap. For instance, users can easily extract a phone number from a picture, translate foreign text on a sign, or copy an email address from a screenshot, all without having to manually type the information. If integrated into the iPhone SE 4, Live Text would significantly enhance its functionality, making it not just a budget-friendly device, but also a versatile tool that appeals to a wide range of users. Students, professionals, and anyone who values productivity and efficiency would find this feature indispensable in their everyday tasks, adding a level of convenience that sets the iPhone SE 4 apart from other devices in its price range. Hidden feature number 3 is Focus Modes. Focus Modes have evolved into one of the most essential features of iOS, offering users a powerful way to manage their digital lives more effectively. It's highly likely that the iPhone SE 4 will carry this trend forward, building on its growing importance. Focus Modes empower users to take charge of their digital habits and daily activities by allowing them to create personalized profiles designed for various situations, such as work, sleep, or driving. These modes give users the ability to fine-tune their settings, including notifications, app access, and other preferences, helping them reduce distractions and stay focused on what truly matters. By tailoring the phone's functionality to fit different parts of your day, Focus Modes ensure that you can make the most of your time without unnecessary interruptions. Incorporating this feature into the iPhone SE 4 would make it the perfect choice for individuals looking for a smartphone that can adapt effortlessly to their unique lifestyle, providing convenience and control like never before. Although these features have not been officially confirmed yet, there is a strong possibility that they will be included, given Apple's history of incorporating advanced functionalities even into their more affordable models. Features like Back Tap, Live Text, and Focus Modes could elevate the iPhone SE 4, transforming it from just a budget-friendly option into a versatile device that stands out for its productivity capabilities. The iPhone SE 4 could soon prove itself to be a powerhouse in terms of functionality, providing much more than what you'd typically expect from an affordable smartphone. As the release date of the 4th generation of iPhone SE draws near, excitement is building around its potential. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to bring innovative features that push the boundaries of what we've come to expect from budget-friendly devices. These rumored additions suggest that the iPhone SE 4 could emerge as a hidden gem in Apple's product lineup, offering impressive capabilities that may surprise users who are looking for a cost-effective smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance. Which of these exciting features are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts and let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.